Hello to all my friends out there. Hello. Okay, I busted my budget and I bought this blouse for $3 at Walmart. I thought it was worth it. I spent $3. Okay, so what I made was a sausage and egg bake. Let me give you a close-up. This looks, this smells good. Let me see if I can move it without, I want to cut a little piece. Okay, you guys know I was into the food art thing. It's very fun. Thank you very much for the cutting board, Francis, and for buying my watch. And I hope your grandson likes it. I must say it is a beautiful watch. Ooh, this smells good. You gotta try this. Ooh, yummy. Oh, wow. I bought this little plate at Dollar Tree. Yummy. I bought this little plate. Did you guys get a good shot of this? You gotta make this. It's very easy to make. Just scroll down if you want to see exactly how I made it. So now for my setup, I will have my sausage and egg bake. I better taste this. I better taste this and let you know. If it tastes awful, I'm going to tell you I hate it. My mouth is watering. My mouth is really, really watering. Of course, I am starving. I haven't had anything to eat today. It's hot. It's really tasty. It tastes kind of like a little tamale, a sweet tamale. Try this. That's my sausage bake. Let me give you a quick shot of the recipe. If you want to see exactly how, I will make this again. This is very, very tasty. So, okay, so now I want to make a tasty salad. So I bought some of these prepared salads. I bought this from Sweet Kale. I like these. If they have the cabbage or the kale, the salads don't go stale. And so when I had my birthday party, Misha put some chopped green onions on the salad. That's good. So now I'm doing that. And so like when I have a casserole like this, I like fruit, cold fruit with that. So I will have some oranges. This is going to be a good little salad. This is like a little brunch. Oh no, I forgot my tea. This is a disorganized video. Sorry. So I'll have a little chamomile tea. With some sugar. This kind of tea is best really sweet. And some milk. I have evaporated milk. This sausage bake is delicious. Okay, and I just save everything in the baggie. So with this salad, you get seeds with this salad. And this will be good on my oranges and my lettuce. Well, it's not lettuce, it's kale. It's cabbage, broccoli, kale, Brussels sprouts, and something else. Not only that, this is a pretty looking salad. Take a look at this pretty looking salad. I admire those people that can appear in their videos every last swinging day. I don't know how. Well, they're organized. Okay, so here is my salad. So I have my sausage bake, homemade. I have my salad, sort of homemade. And then I like, as you guys know, olives. And they had some, I don't know, it looks like pickled red peppers, so I just added those. I'll taste one, I'll tell you if it tastes good. I like it. I got these olives at Dollar Tree. I better go back and buy six more jars. This is good. Well, this is only day 2 and I've just about eaten every one of them. And so then I have some grapes for my brunch. And then a couple days ago I made this fruit dip. It is 1 tablespoon raw brown sugar and vanilla yogurt. This will be good with my grapes. And then here's my chocolate and cherry cupcakes. You gotta try this sausage bake. It is delicious. So anyway, I was fairly thrifty. And so what I had to do is I had to alter the rules that if I screw my budget up, then I have to take $90 a month out of my money and, you know. This is the most delicious thing ever with tea. You gotta try this. Okay. God bless you all.